Volkswagen's biggest SUV just got its boldest redesign yet. The all-new 2027 Atlas has landed at the New York International Auto Show, and it's more than just a facelift. Quick tease of design, tech, and market impact. Walkthrough of the new MQB Evo platform. Highlights: sleeker proportions, LED light bar across the rear, illuminated VW logo, inspiration from the Terramont Pro in China. Emphasize Atlas's commanding stance compared to rivals like the Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot. New EA888 Evo5 2.0-litre turbocharged i4 engine. 269 horsepower, 273 pound-feet torque. Improved efficiency with variable geometry turbo and revised combustion chamber. Fuel economy approximately 18/25/20 miles per gallon. City/highway/combined. Note: mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants expected. Spacious 3-row layout remains unchanged. Premium infotainment with digital cockpit upgrades. Advanced driver assist systems. Packaging designed for hybrid integration. Focus on family comfort and connectivity. Atlas plus Atlas Cross Sport equals approximately 1/3 of VW's US sales in 2025. Production continues in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Competes directly with Highlander, Pilot, Explorer. VW's strategy: keep Atlas ICE based while EV lineup grows. ID.4, ID.buzz. Risks: crowded mid-size SUV segment, fuel economy disadvantage versus hybrids. Bold new design, smarter tech, updated engine. Atlas remains VW's flagship SUV for North America. The 2027 Atlas isn't just bigger, it's smarter, sharper, and ready to take on America's toughest SUV rivals. What do you think? Does the new Atlas have what it takes to beat the Highlander and Pilot? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives.